KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how I make my grilled chicken breast burgers. Right, these are so easy and quick to do. Let's get on with it. Here I've got a 400 gram can of chickpeas. I've drained and rinsed those, and I'm going to add in around about 2, maybe 3 tablespoons worth of tahini, that sesame seed paste. Now, put that all into a food processor. A little bit of garlic paste, the equivalent of 2 cloves worth, that can go straight in, and I'm going to add in the juice of 1 lemon. That can go straight in just like that. Get rid of the seeds because they really suck in a good hummus, and it's what we're creating right now. We're going to make this beautiful little hummus as our base sauce. Extra virgin olive oil, around about 4 tablespoons worth. Give that a blitz, just like that. And if it looks a little bit gluggy and a little bit thick, don't worry. What we're going to do now is add in a little bit of water, just like that. And we're going to give that another hit with our food processor, and we should end up with a good looking hummus. Now, taste that, and if it needs it, add a little bit of salt, right? And it usually does. Salt to taste, blitz again, and that is done. Here I've got some chicken breasts. I'm just going to really thinly slice those, as you can see, as I'm doing right there, using a glove to give a little bit of a grip. I'm going to season these up using Old Bay seasoning, alright, just like that. Now, if I'm sounding a little bit funny, my MS has taken a little bit of a different turn, and if you're not a regular follower, yeah, I do have multiple sclerosis, and yeah, things aren't going as planned. Right, we're grilling our little buns off just like that, and we've done that. We're going to add in a little bit of oil, just like that, on a use a barbecue grill. I'm going to use my teppanyaki grill. It's indoors. At the time of filming this, it was a bit chilly outside, and not really conducive to filming. So, cutting the chicken breasts up nice and thin like we're doing, or we have done, means these are only going to take around about 3 minutes maximum per side. So get those cooked off a little bit, wait for a little bit of colour, and all we have to do now is flip them over. Now these fillets end up being around about 7 to 10 millimeters thick, really thin, and we don't want to overcook the chicken breasts at all. We just want to keep them nice and juicy and tender. So once they're done, get rid of them, put them over onto the side, so we can make our little burgers up. Let's make our burgers. Here's our buns, and all we're going to do now is Mrs. KP is going to put a little bit of our hummus straight on the bottom, just like that. And if you haven't tried making your own hummus before, why haven't you? Because it is so easy to do. A little bit of lettuce shredded, we're going to put that straight on the bottom like that. Okay, and we're going to add our chicken breast fillet slice straight on top. Now, I wouldn't be Australian if I didn't do the next couple of steps. We're going to add in a little bit of sliced avocado straight on top of our chicken breast. It's going to add this beautiful creaminess to these little chicken breast fillet burgers. Oh, I haven't tried doing this before. Wow, why not? These taste amazing. And the Aussie component, the beetroot, goes straight on top. We can put our crown of our burger straight on top, and there you go. You got KP's grilled chicken breast burger. Thank Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. And if you like this video, hit that like button. If you don't like this video, because I told you to, hit that like button anyway. Alright. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We're trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom out there. Alright. Leave a comment. I love reading and I love responding to them. My audience really love you all. Alright. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We're trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom out there. In the meantime, if you want to try and learn know what I love to cook, well, you need to come and join the family. My family. Hit the subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. I'm off to eat my grilled chicken breast burger, and I will catch you next time. Bye.